Ever wondered where software engineering is headed in the world where AI is everywhere? With tech evolving at lightning speed, we're seeing massive changes in how apps are developed and the role AI is playing in our everyday lives, not just for developers, but also for consumers. The big question is, how do we, as software engineers, keep evolving and stay ahead? Will AI replace us, assist us, or completely redefine how we work? Hi, I'm Arvind Saveen. I've been in software engineering space for over a decade, witnessing massive shifts firsthand, from the rise of cloud computing to evolution of DevOps and now AI. But today, I want to share my honest thoughts on the future of software engineering and how we can adapt, thrive, and stay relevant in the AI-driven world. And believe me, the changes we're seeing now with AI are just the beginning. In fact, McKinsey predicts that AI could automate up to 45% of current work activities over the next 2 decades. That's a pretty big deal. So, what does this all mean for us as software engineers? The evolving role of software engineers. Let's start with the basics. The role of a software engineer is already shifting. Gone are the days when we were coding every line and building every application from scratch. Now, with the tools like GitHub Copilot and Tab9, AI can auto-complete code, suggest improvements, and even help us debug faster. It's no longer about writing every line yourself. It's about guiding, optimizing, and refining what AI generates. A recent survey found that over 60% of developers are already using AI-powered tools in some way, whether it's debugging, code suggestions, or automating repetitive tasks. And on the consumer side, expectations are sky high. Today's app users want smart apps that can predict their needs, provide faster responses, and offer seamless experiences. AI is at the core of this shift, and it's reshaping how we think about building apps and feel personal and instantly responsive. So, as software engineers, our role is evolving. We're not just writing code, we're creating experiences that are powered by AI, enhancing how people interact with technology every day. The skills of tomorrow. So, what skills do we need to keep up? Sure, traditional coding skills are still critical, but they're not enough on their own anymore. AI literacy is quickly becoming essential, which means understanding how AI algorithms work, knowing how to train machine learning models, and getting comfortable with data science concepts. It's not just about coding, it's about becoming a data-savvy engineer. In fact, LinkedIn data shows that machine learning and data science are among top 5 fastest growing job skills for software engineers. We're moving from being pure coders to becoming engineers who know how to work alongside AI, who can interpret AI insights, and who can understand the ethical implications of AI in real-world applications. AI as a collaborative partner, not a competitor. One of the best things about AI is that it's a collaborator, not a competitor. Picture it as super smart coding partner. Tools like Replit Ghostwriter and Code Whisperer handle the repetitive, time-consuming tasks, freeing up for more complex and creative work. At Copper Digital, we've been using these AI tools and it's been a game changer. Our productivity has gone up by 30%. The AI takes care of routine tasks, letting us focus on architecture, problem solving, and innovation. So the future isn't about competing with AI. It's about using AI as an ally to amplify what we can achieve. The consumer impact, AI in everyday life. But it's not just developers who benefit from AI. Consumers interact with AI every day, often without realizing it. From personalized recommendations on Netflix to instant customer support from AI-powered chatbots, AI is now woven into the apps and tools people rely on. Imagine you're building a retail app. With AI, you're not just creating a basic shopping experience, you're enabling personalized product recommendations and inventory predictions through tools like Amazon Forecast and even instant customer support through Dialogflow chatbots. AI is transforming how people experience technology, making each interaction more personalized and efficient. Specialization in soft skills. As AI keeps advancing, specialization is going to become more important. Generalist engineers will always have a place, but there is a growing need for specialists in the area like AI ethics, natural language processing, and cybersecurity. The more we focus on niche skills, the more valuable we become in the world dominated by AI. And don't forget about soft skills. With AI taking over repetitive tasks, our creativity, collaboration, and critical thinking will set us apart. A recent study found that 75% of tech leaders believe emotional intelligence will be a crucial asset for engineers in the coming years. It's not just about technical expertise anymore, it's about being adaptable, working well in teams, and approaching problems with fresh, creative ideas. So, back to the big question, how do we evolve in the AI-driven world? The answer lies in adaptation, upskilling, and embracing continuous learning. AI isn't there to replace us. It is here to empower us, allowing us to focus on high-value creative work while automating the routine. By enhancing our AI skills, mastering data science, and honing our soft skills, we're not just staying relevant, we're becoming essential in the tech landscape. The future of software engineering is incredibly exciting. We're moving from coders to creators, from developers to visionaries, partnering with AI to build the next generation technology. Let's embrace this journey and see just how far we can go in this AI-powered future.